Friday, I'm in Love by The Cure, an awesome 90s strummer. Today, I'm doing an acoustic strumming version with the picked intro motif, capo fret number 1, open chords, plus a bar chord if you want to play that. The chords are D, G, A. There's a B minor, which I'm using a bar chord, but you can use the open B minor, technically a B minor 7, but still absolutely perfect in this song, and a C. We're going to start with the rhythm, muted. It's the same rhythm throughout the entire song. It's a 2-bar rhythm, and we're in 4/4. We're going to start by muting our strings with our fretting hand, so we get the nice clicky sound. And for the first bar, we're playing down, down, up, mute, up, down, down, up, mute, up. So that mute on the strumming hand is the side of our palm here, and we just stop the strings from ringing out. The beats we're playing those strums on are 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. On bar 2, we have up, down, up, down, up. And that falls on the beats 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So putting those 2 bars together, we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Speeding this up a little bit to the tempo of the recording, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll play that twice in a row so you can get a feel for it. That's 4 bars in total. 2, 3, 4. Adding the first 2 chords in there, the first bar we have a D and the second bar we have a G. D chords. On that next up, which falls on the 4 and, we actually strum the G chord, so this pushes us into the second bar. And on the last 4 and of the second bar, we take our fingers off the chord and strum the open strings. So slowed down, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to play through the chord sequence of the verse now. I'll shout the chords as we move through. Remember, they're in 2-bar sections. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's one verse. Every time there's a verse, play that chord sequence. Looking at the chord sequence for the chorus now, exactly the same rhythm, but now we're playing G, A, B minor, G, D, A. 2, 3, 4. Every time there's a chorus, that's your sequence to play. The only remaining different chord sequence in the song is for the bridge, and this is B minor, C, D, A, and that's repeated 4 times. It's the same rhythm. So playing through that, 2, 3, 4. now I'm going to show you how to play this awesome little picking intro. We play the third finger on the third fret of the B string. This is so because we need to access the D chord immediately, so it makes it a lot more accessible. So we start with the third finger on the third fret of the B string, and on the picking hand we play G, open, B, third fret, E, high E, open. Then we bring our index finger to the second fret of the high E, pick, then open E, third fret B, and then back to the open E. Picking direction on the picking hand, down, 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 up, down, up, down, and counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then straight into the strumming pattern. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and... Structure-wise, we have the intro, then we have verse, verse, chorus. We have a verse, an instrumental verse, another verse and a chorus, the bridge, and then we have 2 more verses that are the same as verse 1 and verse 2, and then we have the verse chords to end. I'll now play through the intro, verse and chorus so you can hear how that goes together. 2, 3, 4, 1. In this video, I show you how to play an epic strumming song by The Clash, Should I Stay or Should I Go? I'll see you next time.